Good morning, I'm your driver Mike. Welcome aboard. This lovely morning we're going to be going to Crozet to Perrone Electronics.
Hey!
Good to see you again.
Likewise.
Good to see you. Hey, Karen. Yeah, good to see you.
Thank you for having us.
Oh yeah, thanks for coming on out.
Here.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm Paul, CEO, founder of the company. Just really excited to be working with y'all. We thought it would be nice to kind of invite you out to show you some of the technology that we have, and then come in, grab some lunch, Q&A, just discuss any questions you might have about autonomy. We can wing it. This is the shuttle, or a shuttle, I should say. This is a neighborhood electric vehicle. This is from the company Polaris. They make these 2, 4, 6-seater versions of this. These are designed to operate on roads with speed limits under 35 miles an hour. They go up to 25 miles an hour, these class of vehicles. What do we have? What are they going to experience? Like a pedestrian? Or?
We're going to follow a vehicle and it's going to pull away, then we're going to experience a pedestrian, then we're going to come up on a stalled car. It's just going to decide if it's safe to pass it or not. Then it's going to park right back here in the garage, just right where it's at now.
Okay, and we did this with the governor, I think, too. Yes. Something similar to this when he was here, and we had someone in a bear suit. So we know we can detect bears.
And all of a sudden, it's totally in control of the vehicle. You'll feel it. It's interesting. It's just a matter of the community getting used to it and accepting it, and yeah.
But the mobility device, it will be a little challenging, I think.
Yeah.
All right. You want to get it?
And so, the question, comes up, I'm going to start from here. This route has a start and stopping point. This was designed by a developer here. And I'm going to center the map up. This is just OpenStreetMaps on Google. And this is our car. This little red triangle, that's us sitting right there. There's the railroad tracks, and there's Route 240 and the shopping center across the street. So I'm going to hit this play button, and what's going to happen is you're going to see the steering wheel move. It's going to wake up the drive-by-wire system, let it know it's in autonomous mode. And it's going to go to drive. And there we are, and we're going to move forward. And this thing is going to keep plotting our route as we go. And we're going to pace him for like 10 miles an hour. We're going to catch up with him and pace him. And it's going to slow down at a safe speed. We're going 10 right now. And he's going to drive away. And we're just going to resume the route.
Is the speed already determined?
Yeah, I can set the speed for this course, but it knows how fast it can take a curve. If I put a speed of 50 in there, it knows it can't take that curve at 50 miles an hour. And that's actually how we test these guys' software algorithms. We put fast speeds in there to see is the vehicle really going to brake for that curve. It better, or the software is broken.
Give you riding, how you can determine.
Yeah, what they have is there's different segments on this map, and I set the speed for different. I set that speed for that segment for 10 miles an hour. It's an oddly shaped intersection. And there's a lot of those in America. They're not all just four-way straight intersections.
Yeah, they were talking about saying crossroads inside.
Oh, so it sends someone in this.
Yeah. So he's gonna walk away, and then
you can go get warm.
This is a hybrid vehicle. The motor's going to shut down, and then it's going to be electric from here. And so it's going to decide by looking around the car, is it safe to pass? And it can only look ahead about like 120 feet. Now the engine hasn't cut on yet, but you'll hear it kick on as soon as we cross over in the other lane.
It's actually signaling.
Yeah, it signals, yeah. And it's gonna park up here. These guys might be real obstacles. It might stop for them.
Let's hope.
Well, they're not in our path, so. And it's going to pull in the garage and stop, and that's it.
Okay. This partnership, I think, is going to be great in that, like, because we can come up with novel automation solutions for things like that, but you know, it's you who spawned those ideas.
I think your people, particularly the design people, need to ride with some of these drivers to see what they do.
That's right.
You know, sometimes if there's no one there to help with the groceries, the client will have to get off the bus several times. So if the client gets off the bus to get the rest of the groceries, is the bus going to leave them?
You know, you still might have that person, that individual there as, you know, part of the service to provide for those individuals, for sure. Each week there are 2 747 worths of deaths that occur due to automotive fatalities, right? And 95% of those accidents are due to human error. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Super cool.